Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here, and yeah, we're going to be starting on this 250SX engine again. So I did a little bit. I did take the side cover off, but it's all right. We'll go through it. All right. Alrighty. Well, we moved here a little bit. Here we got this centrifugal clutch with the one-way bearing in there. It's this here is a 27 millimeter, and it's left-hand threads, so lefty tighty, righty loosey. And I already loosened these up here, so then that just slides off there. There's two washers on here, right here and here, so just keep them the way they came off of there. Set them to the side, and if you pull this out here, this is your centrifugal clutch. So, and then you got your one-way bearing here. I replaced this on my big red, and it's really easy to do. And that just slides back in there. But you can see it turns one way, it doesn't turn the other way. So, and yeah, just set that to the side over here. And then this one here is a 27 millimeter, but it's normal, so lefty loosey, righty tighty. And that's 27 millimeter here. Both of these are. So we'll see if we can't get this to slide off. Ooh, nice. Oh, never mind. It ain't so nice. There we go. Okay. GoPro's back on now. What I ended up doing, my GoPro died here. But this piece here sat over the oil pump. There's a 10 millimeter bolt right here, and 10 millimeter bolt right here, and so I took both of them off, and this piece here came off. I put the bolts back. I don't think they need to come out anymore, so we'll just set this over here. And then I was able to pull off my oh, and this here is got two 8 millimeter bolts here on the oil pump. I just took that off, put the bolts back in. There's two different sizes here, so don't mix them up. This one here's a little bitty guy. And then I was able to pull my clutch basket off here. And yeah, those were the two 27 millimeter bolts. This one here was right hand threads. This one here is left hand threads. So, and then yeah, clutch basket, we'll go over that later at a different time. We'll just set that up here along with the springs. You got to take these springs off here and stuff, so yeah, we'll just set that in there. Trying to just keep everything here where I can. So, and yeah. So I took this off here. There's 3 bolts. Hold that on there. I don't know if you guys can see. I think there's a spring or something in here. So careful when you pull that off. Sorry if this video doesn't turn out good. Trying something new here. Okay, I don't see any springs or anything. Nothing shot out at me anyways. Here's those 3 bolts right here, here, and here. So we'll just set that off to the side here. Now, get this off here. Oh, that bushing's cracked. Wonder if I can replace that. Well, it might be like that from the factory. Hopefully we can just leave that stuff alone. Don't really want to have to replace that if I don't have to. Yeah, that comes off. Now we can take out our timing chain. And I want to say that's it. I don't know. Not really sure what else has to come off of this side. So we might have to pull that out. I don't really know. So okay. Now let's see here. I'll try to make better videos for you guys too here in the future. I'm still trying to figure this stuff out here. So, a little bit at a time. We will have better videos. And I'll try to get more content out here in the winter time if I can. So there's all kinds of stuff to come off of here. Now remember guys, I'm not a professional here. I'm just figuring out as I go. So should be able to work on part 3, I would think. But let's see what this is. I suppose put in here. What the hell, why not? Oh, that's a shifter. So, yeah, we're gonna get this all tore apart here. My hoping is I can just tear apart half of it, and we'll see if what you guys leave in the comments down there for oh, if you guys want me to tear apart the other side, I will. But we'll see what happens here. So, oh, okay. There. That looks pretty good. Oh shit. Alright. Well, fuck it, let's see what this is. I'm thinking that don't need to come off. We'll just leave that right on there. It's not screwing into anything, so. Alright. Well, I think that'll be it for this movie, or video here. So. Alrighty.